Introducing the W Live Nightstand, the perfect companion for your bedroom, college dorm, or any living space craving organization and style. This versatile piece isn't just your ordinary bedside table. With its two spacious fabric drawers, it offers ample storage for all your nighttime essentials, from books to beauty products. Whether you're using it as a nightstand, an end table by your sofa, or even a toy organizer, the WellIve Nightstand fits seamlessly into any room. Crafted with a sturdy steel frame and a water-resistant wooden top, this nightstand ensures durability and longevity. Plus, its sleek and modern design effortlessly complements any decor style. Worried about assembly? Don't be. With easy-to-follow instructions and included tools, you can have this nightstand set up in just 15 minutes. So why wait? Elevate your space with the W Live Nightstand and experience the perfect blend of functionality and style. Comfort Elevated BME Ergonomic Wicker Papasan Chair Review. Welcome to our review of the BME Ergonomic Wicker Papasan Chair, your ticket to heavenly comfort and versatile relaxation. Let's dive into what makes this Papasan chair a must-have for every home. With its heavyweight capacity frame and plush cushion, it's designed to accommodate various body types, ensuring comfort for everyone. Experience the joy of 360-degree swivel action thanks to its expertly crafted metal frame and resin wicker construction. Say goodbye to noisy rotations and hello to seamless, frictionless movement. Whether you're unwinding in the living room, cozying up in the bedroom, or indulging in a good book in your reading nook, this versatile chair fits seamlessly into any space, elevating the ambience with its elegant design. Worried about assembly? Fear not. With our easy-to-follow manual and included accessories, setting up your Papasan chair is a breeze. Plus, with a dedicated customer service team at your service, any concerns are swiftly addressed. Elevate your relaxation experience with the BME Ergonomic Wicker Papasan Chair, where comfort meets elegance. Order yours today and unwind in style. New Type Arched Full-Length Mirror Review, a stylish addition to any space. Are you seeking the perfect mirror to elevate your space? Look no further than the New Type Arched Full-Length Mirror. Standing tall at 65x22, it offers a full-size reflection, allowing you to admire your entire figure in a single glance. But that's not all. With various size options available, you can find the perfect fit for your needs. Crafted with a textured aluminum frame, this mirror exudes sophistication. The wire drawing treatment adds a touch of luxury, ensuring a sleek and modern look. Plus, the frame is not only stylish but also durable, with no risk of discoloration or unpleasant odors, making it safe and friendly for any environment. What sets the New Type mirror apart is its superior glass and mirror technology. Featuring high-definition clarity, scatter prevention, and an explosion-proof membrane, this mirror is as safe as it is stunning. The copper-free silver mirror is coated with silver nitrate for anti-rust treatment, ensuring longevity without oxidation. With multi-layered protection and original edge sealing technology, durability is guaranteed. Versatility is key with the New Type mirror. Whether you choose to lean it against a wall or stand it on the floor, it effortlessly complements any space, indoors or outdoors. Its all-match arch design adds a touch of elegance to bedrooms, living rooms, or even outdoor patios. And rest assured, your satisfaction is our priority. With our no-worry and fast after-sale service, we offer full refunds or free replacements for any mirrors damaged on arrival. Simply send us pictures through Amazon Message, and we'll handle the rest, responding to your inquiries within 12 hours.